भीमातीरनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. As one ruminates, the thought comes, problems and solutions. That is the message for today. Give me a man who has no problems. From birth to death, we face problems. Either it's a physical problem, emotional problem, financial problem, ethical problem, psychological problem, or a spiritual problem. At various stages of life, man passes through these problems. What happens when one faces problems? As a child, when he suffers physical problems, he cries and cries. It's the mother or father who seeks a remedy for it. In school, the child has problem with studies, teachers, peers, parents' pressure, and so on. He is irritable, rash, snaps at everybody, but does not know how to solve the problem. As a youth, he has different problems of career hunting, emotional outbursts, longing for companions, financial independence, and so on. He seeks advice from elders rarely, but mostly from peers who also have the same problem. Dear devotee, as a householder, the problems multiply because he has a family to look after. The responsibility has grown. He is the breadwinner. On one side, he has sentiment for his wife and children. On the other, he needs to grow in his profession. He is tense all the time and passes from one problem to the other. As children grow up, if he is lucky, they share his problems or else leave him alone to sort out his problems. It's a sad case of loneliness when one is a psychological outcast in his own family, emotionally barren, thoroughly demotivated. He does not know what to do. Further, when old age overtakes him, he is miserable. He has health problems, ethical problems, psychological problems, and finally spiritual problems. At all times, what happens when one faces a problem? The world is a stranger. The future is bleak. Solutions seem out of reach. A strange depression overcomes the individual. Day after day, he is worried. In this state, his health suffers, his mind is confused, and his heart has lost its habitual courage. A host of negative thoughts besiege his mind, and instead of seeking a solution, he is in the middle of a muddle. He does not know what to do. I ask myself this question: when faced with a problem, what should a man do? The answer came after sufficient reflection. Chant one Mahamantra, day and night with full conviction. He will solve it. Krishna will solve it. This mega password will thrill your being and bring you back courage. And a new hope will dawn in life. Man will shake off his negativity and with a positive attitude will face life thereafter. When the soul beckons Krishna and solely depends on him for the solution, the Lord takes on subtle forms and strange designs. To convince his devotee about his presence, he sends ideas, he sends helpful men and women, he gives food and clothing to the poor, and peace of mind to the well-to-do. Krishna is the master solution, like the master key. The other day, my doctor of herbal medicine gave me a sweet syrup and said, "Ammaji, this can be taken for all diseases." I was shocked, but I believed in that sentence. To my surprise, I gave the syrup a name, Grace Syrup, because only grace can forgive all, care for all, cure all forms of disease. Only the Lord can give us the ultimate peace that passeth understanding. Think of him. He comes and saves. No problem is a problem for the Lord. He is the master key of all problems. There are some days when everything goes wrong. Those are the days when God says, be strong. There are some days when everything goes right. Those are the days when God says, kneel down and be bright. There are some days when nothing is happening. Those are the days when God is planning. There are some days when everything is happening. those are the days when God is gracing. Thank you.